Okay, video number 2. So, let's find all Fs and all Cs on the piano. So, we have group of 2 black keys and we have group of 3 black keys. So, note C is always under the group of 2 black keys. Note F is always under the group of 3 black keys. So, 3 black keys, F is here. 3 black keys, F is here. 3 black keys, F is here. Or the group of 2 black keys, and here is C. Group of 2 black keys, and here is C. Group of 2 black keys, and here is C. So always find the groups of 2 black keys and then, just below them, find the required notes. Group of 3 black keys, and under them is F. Group of 2 black keys, and under there is a note C. And that applies for the whole keyboard. Good luck, guys.